Are you looking for the best beach chairs? In this video we will look at some of the best beach chairs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Backpack Beach Chair. If you play outdoors for a period of time, you will feel tired and want to have a seat, and if there is a chair appears now, that will be perfect. Here is an excellent portable high-strength beach chair with adjustable headrest we would like to recommend to you. It is made of high-quality materials, wear-resistant and anti-fouling, easy to clean. What's more, this chair is simple and convenient to carry and use. To use it for a long time. Do not hesitate, this beach chair will bring you much convenience. Number 2. Adjustable Lounge Beach Chair. Smoothly glides into an ergonomic zero-gravity position, with removable elastic cords that immediately adjust to your body's weight. Lightweight, foldable design makes these an easy addition to your next trip to the park, beach, or your child's next sporting event. Removable trays built with 2 cup holders, a phone holder, and a tablet holder so you never have to be far from your favorite drinks or media devices. Features a high, 250-pound weight capacity with flexible, low-wear textiline fabric for lasting quality. Number 3. Folding Beach Chair. Provides comfy and convenient seating for all your outdoor adventures including beach or lake house trips, pool days, and more. With its heavy-duty steel frame, the chair is durable and firm, supporting up to 300 pounds. We also attach great importance to the practical use of the folding beach chair, widening the seat to 23.2 inches so that in a few hours, you can relax your body and provide good support for your back. This beach chair has a soft mesh back. Compared to a regular beach chair, it is much cooler and breathable. Even if you lean on the back of the chair for a long time, your back will not feel stuffy. There is a cup holder next to the armrest of the chair for your water glass or your favorite drink. Number 4. Outdoor Rocker Camping Beach Chair. This portable folding chair for outside quickly and easily folds compactly for simple storage and transportation. Equipped with a sturdy powder-coated steel frame, this outdoor folding chair supports up to 250 pounds and includes soft armrests, a phone pocket, and beverage holder. Patented spring-action rocking technology allows this outdoor folding chair to rock on most outdoor surfaces. This folding rocking chair for outside makes a great rocking camping chair, rocking sports chair, or rocking lawn chair. This rocking camp chair for adults opens and closes smoothly. This folding camping chair for adults also features a convenient carry strap. This folding lawn chair for adults measures 27.2 by 32.5 by 31.7 when open with a seat height of 15.9 and folds to 5.9 by 7.9 by 39 inches, 10.6 pounds. Limited lifetime warranty. Number 5. Mainstays Reclining Beach Chair. Go in style and with ease to the beach or other outdoor events with your Mainstays Wood Arm Reclining Comfort Height Backpack Canopy Beach Chair. This chair features a lightweight and rust-proof aluminium frame with steel inserts for added strength. The covering is a colorful, durable, and weather-resistant polyester fabric. Choose your favorite of 3 reclining positions. Wood armrests will stay cool under the sun. Use the attached color-coordinated side drink holder to fit your favorite beverage. You'll find a padded pillow headrest for added comfort and a mesh storage pocket on the back for additional storage. Attach the canopy to provide shade and additional comfort. A higher seat height of 13 inches makes it easier to get in and out of the chair. It folds flat for compact storage. Its weight of just 8.6 pounds along with adjustable padded backpack straps makes it easy to take anywhere.